Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out the cutest dog toy ever. As soon as I saw this dog toy, I knew I have to have it. I adore little bows and this was just too good to pass up. The takeout box has Velcro on the top so you can put them inside and then go ahead and close it up and allow your dog to hunt for them. You can also put treats in there to help him look into the box and figure out a way to open it. The bows themselves each have a different face on them, which is super cute. And honestly, he has had this for quite some time and still hasn't been able to de-squeaker the little bows, which in itself is a miracle because usually he can do it in about 2.5 seconds. So I love that the box as well also has the crinkle texture inside the flaps on the top to also entertain him. This dog did not get the memo about not eating in bed because he instantly took all his bows, popped them in his bed, and would not let me go near them. I love it. So does Linky. But that's just our point of view.